Google Flow helps you create incredibly realistic visuals. Smart caching keeps the rendering. To create videos with Gemini, first define your concept. Next, ask Gemini to generate and detailed visual prompts.
Open the Google Flow AI in Chrome or any other browser, and then you will go click on new project. This kind of screen will appear where you need to give your prompt, select your video style, whether 9:16 or 16:9. You have different model, you choose only flash, then you have timestamp, whether you want to create for 10 second, 8 second, and whether you want one or two. Select one to lessen your credit and paste your prompt that you generated through Gemini here and click on the hit button once you have pasted your prompt here. Here is a demo of a video that I have created.
Check it out to make awesome videos.
Subscribe now and follow us for such interesting videos.